What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate combination of style, durability, and performance, the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro. This is not your average smartwatch. Let's see what makes it a serious contender in the wearable tech world. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. The GT 5 Pro comes in a 46mm size with sharp-edged curves that give it a modern, premium feel. Perfect for those who want their smartwatch to make a statement without sacrificing durability. It's built with a titanium frame, ceramic back, and a sapphire glass display. So this thing is tough enough to handle your daily routine or any adventure. Whether you're heading to the office or out for a hike, the GT 5 Pro has you covered. The 1.43-inch AMOLED display is stunning. It's bright, responsive, and makes reading notifications, tracking workouts, or checking the weather super easy, even in direct sunlight. Huawei's HarmonyOS runs beautifully on this watch, offering a smooth, customizable interface that you can tweak to match your style or needs. Now, let's talk about one of the GT 5 Pro's standout features, battery life. With up to 14 days on a single charge, you won't be constantly looking for a charger. And if you're using GPS or more intensive features, you still get a solid 8 days, which is impressive for a smartwatch with this much functionality. As a pro-level sports watch, the GT 5 Pro comes packed with over 100 workout modes. Whether you're running, cycling, swimming, or even hiking in the mountains, this watch has got you covered. It's also water-resistant up to 50 meters, so take it for a swim without any worries. On the health side, it offers advanced heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and even sleep tracking to give you detailed insights into your overall wellness. Besides fitness, it handles all the smart features you expect: Bluetooth calling, message notifications, music control, and even a built-in voice assistant. The GT 5 Pro pairs seamlessly with your smartphone, whether you're on Android or iOS. So, is the Huawei Watch GT 5 Pro worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a smartwatch with premium design, pro-level sports tracking, long battery life, and a ton of smart features, this is one of the best options out there. Whether you're an athlete or someone who just wants a reliable daily companion, this watch delivers. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews coming your way. See you in the next one.